Mounting holes are holes drilled through a PCB to secure the board to a chassis or enclosure. They are typically larger than other holes on the board and are often positioned at its corners or other critical locations. These holes are typically encircled by a copper pad or a ring, establishing a stable connection between the board and the mounting hardware. There are two primary types of mounting holes: PTH plated through hole and NPTH non-plated through hole. PTH is utilized and electrical connections are needed between different layers of the PCB. For instance, if a PCB features a ground plane on a separate layer from the top, plated through hole might be employed to link the top layer to the ground plane. Additionally, plated through hole serves as secure anchor points for screws, bolts, or other hardware, ensuring strong attachment of components to the board. In contrast, NPTH serves mechanical purposes. They are often isolated from other components and traces on the board, necessitating a designated zone to prevent interference with other circuit elements. Sometimes, mounting holes are accompanied by tiny vias. These vias are strategically placed within the hole surrounding copper pad or thermal relief pads, serving three main functions. First, they distribute mechanical stress incurred during PCB mounting, spreading it across a larger area. This provides extra support and prevents the mounting holes from loosening or sustaining damage over time due to mechanical stress or vibrations. Second, vias establish grounding connections between different PCB layers, curbing electromagnetic interference and noise. This is particularly vital for sensitive or high-frequency circuits. Lastly, vias can link a copper plane or heatsink to the mounting hole, facilitating heat dissipation from the PCB. This creates a direct thermal path between the PCB and the heatsink, promoting efficient heat transfer.